Welcome back to Flowpoint, where we turn insights into action. In this tutorial, we'll craft a comprehensive user flow tailored to your unique site dynamics. With Flowpoint, you can map out as many user steps as you need to reflect your customer's journey accurately. Starting off, select Add Flow. Here, you're greeted by an intuitive canvas ready to mirror any user path, be it a page visit, a click, or a user custom event. Kick off by adding the starting flow. Name it Homepage Visit. Set your trigger to navigate to a website path, indicating your homepage where your customer's journey begins. Now, let's expand your flow. Click the plus icon to add a new stage. Say your user then heads to the pricing page. Just add it as the next step. Next, anticipate their actions. If they click on Start Free Trial, add a click event as a subsequent stage. This granularity allows Flowpoint to capture and analyze every interaction. Remember, your flow can be as detailed as you need. Each click, each navigation, each custom event can be as a new stage, giving you unparalleled insights. After defining your user journey, click Save Flow. Watch as Flowpoint springs into action, tracking conversion rates and illuminating the path your users take. But we don't stop at tracking. Flowpoint pinpoints issues and serves up tailored recommendations to fine-tune the user experience, enhance engagement, and boost conversions.